Hey, what's up, guys? Back again with another ice fishing video. Was gonna go out to Lake Wanahoo, but the wind doesn't seem to want to work with me today. I've been trying to make a video for the past few days, but the weather's just not been cooperative. It's been cold. Right now we got 19 degrees and the wind's blowing like crazy. So I'm just gonna go back out to the lakes here. Hopefully it's not too windy out there, and hopefully we can hook up with some good fish. I gotta stop at the bait shop to get some tackle. Gotta get some waxies. So stay tuned. Well, I switched up spots here because that other place, man, was way too windy. I had to get out of the wind, so I switched to a different lake here. So what's nice about these state lakes we have here in Nebraska, I mean, if one isn't what you're looking for, you can always switch to a different one. I mean, there's so many lakes out here. So we'll give this one a shot. The ice here looks, I don't know, you can see it's pretty thawed out over here. So we're gonna head out here. See if we can make something happen. Yeah. If you want to know why I got a rope out here, it's pretty simple. Because if I fall through that ice, I don't want to die. Inch of ice here, so that's awesome. Would I suggest it? No. Can you fish on it? I guess. We'll see what happens. Well, I had to switch up spots again here. This ice is about to give me a heart attack. Alright, through all my moments of frustration there, called the guy, gonna meet up with him. He's got an ice shelter, so hopefully we can stay out of the wind and actually catch some fish without being in the wind and being freezing cold. So stay tuned. Little Gill. Little baby. I don't know what's up with his gills. He's like flaring them out like a walleye.
I've seen that on like a shit ton of fish.
He's flared out bad.
I put him back in the water.
Whoop.
Oh, you do jacket.
Well, we did all right on that lake. Caught some bluegill, one bass, and a bunch of trout, rainbow trout. We're heading to one more spot over here on this other lake. See what we can come up with. It's supposed to be a good spot, so we'll see what we can find. Come on now.
Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, that's the whole.
Wow.
There's a tree that forks like right here. That's a nice looking bass.
Yeah.
Through the ice.
Hey, you ever see me set the hook on blue? I just reeled. I just reeled down to those bitches on those
Little guy.
catfish 5-ounce circles.
Hey, what's up guys? I've been filming my fishing videos with a GoPro Hero 4 Session, and I wasn't thinking when I bought it, but this thing is not going to work for my fishing videos. I'm going to have to take it in and get the Hero 5. It's got an internal battery, so that means when the battery dies, it's dead. I mean, that's it, dead. So I'm going to get the Hero 5, and when that thing's battery dies, I can just plug in a new battery and just have batteries on deck for fishing videos. Mainly because when I'm fishing, I like to film the whole thing. But with this, it's kind of hard to film the whole thing because you only got 2.5 hours, and when it's dead, it's dead. So I've been filming right when I hook up with a fish, and I want to get the whole thing on camera. So this is probably going to be my last video with the GoPro Session. It's just not really suitable for my videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I'm going to be pumping out videos throughout the whole spring, summer, fall. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.